Before I say anything in this video, I want to first of all thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Gracias in Italian, gracias in Spanish, merci in French, USA in my dialect. Thank you in all language of the world. Thank you so much. In today's video, I want to show you how to make this ready to go head wrap. I call it ready to go head wrap, guys. So if you want to see how I make this, keep watching this video. If you love to see how I made this belt you're saying, the video is on my YouTube channel, guys. Go and watch it. Go watch it and crush it, because in this channel we crush, guys. Go and watch it to crush it. So guys, before we dive to the DIY, I just love to do this. I want to read this quote to you. People are going to talk about you no matter what you do. So you might as well do whatever brings you joy and live your best life. Guys, let me read it again. I love this. People are going to talk about you no matter what you do. So you might as well do whatever brings you joy and live your best life. Guys, let's dive to the DIY. For this fascinator gele, you need your rope. You need your cover button. If you don't want to use cover button, you can use brush. For this DIY, I'm going to be using cover button. I cut my fabric 91 centimeters length, 80 width. That's the measurement of this fabric for the cap. And for the poof on top, my gele is 68 length, 37 centimeters width. So this fabric that I cut 91 centimeters by 80, I will fold it in the 91 centimeters. This one, it measures 91 centimeters like this. This is the part I'm going to fold like this. I'll fold it in half like so. Then I will fold it again like this. Then I will measure 5 centimeters from here to here. I'll measure 5 centimeters from here to here. Then I will pin it like so. Then pin it again here like so. Then I'll put it on my mannequin head, on my styrofoam head. I call it mannequin always. It's styrofoam. If you don't have a styrofoam head, you can do this with your head. You can do it with your head, you know. So I'll just do this like this, like you are tying your hair. Just do it like this, and I will pin it down like this. Now I will mark this place like so. I'll mark this place like so. Now come to the other side and I will mark this place like this. Then I will remove the pin. This place I mark with chalk is where I'm going to end my sewing. I will cut this back open like so. Then I will put, you see my pin here, then pass it through this hole I cut. Pass it through this hole like so. Close it. You see what I did? I put the rope inside, then I use office pin to block it where I mark. I block the rope with this fabric together. Then I do the same to the other side. Then what I will do, I will fold it like this. Then just pin it. Just pin the rope with the fabric so that it will not move when you are sewing. Just make sure. Then you pin it like this. I pin the rope with the fabric together so that when I'm sewing it will not move. Now I will take it to my machine to sew. After sewing my fabric, I will remove the pin. And I block this place that I mark with chalk, and I block this side. Then I sew this place. You can see. Let me draw it so that you see. You see it? This is for the tube. I will fold it like this. You see, it's the same measurement with the Sego Gele. If you don't have this, you use something similar so that your fascinator Gele will stand, because you know African fabric is a cotton. It will not stand if you don't put something to sustain it under. It will not stand. So you use Sego Gele or something similar. Then I'll put it together like this. Fold it. And I will take it to my machine to sew. After sewing my fabric, I won't turn it. I'll just gather it around here. Just sew it gap. Just sew it gap like this. Before I put the scarf on the styrofoam head, I will draw this string a bit, just little by little. Just draw it a bit. Now we all use pin. Then I will use my office pin to block it. I prefer blocking it with office pin instead of tying it. Just block it like so. Then I will take my hot gum. So just gum it down here. I use hot gum a lot for my crafts. I use hot gum like office pin. That is how I use hot gum. Then I'll just put hot gum here. Then I will tie this place with thread. Tie this place with thread like so. Then I will cut off the excess fabric. This scissors is not cutting nothing. Just cut off the excess fabric like this. You see, this excess fabric, I won't throw it away. I will use it for other projects like making cover button, like making brooches. So don't throw your pieces of fabric away. Keep it for other projects. It's never wasted. Then I will put it here and tie it. I will tighten it. Now put my hand inside the tube, then just bring it down like this. Put hot gum around it to gum it down. After gumming it in the down, then you gather this place like this. Then you just tie it around with thread. Then you tie it around with thread like this. Then open this place like so. You see it, guys. Then you just mold it as you want it. Then I will start to sew it hidden stitch. This is how to do the hidden stitch. You put the thread. I'll start from here. Put the thread under like so. You put the thread under like so. Then you bring it down. invisible stitch, invisible stitch. It's called the invisible stitch. Then you do it like so. Then you bring it down. Up. Then you bring it down. Just continue like that till end. You just sew it around like that. Around. Then you just sew it around like that till end. You can put a brush here or your cover button, as I said before, but I will be using my cover button here. I'll put cover button here. Just put gum in my cover button like so. Voila. This is it, guys. This is how to make this fascinator gele. So beautiful. I love it. This is it, guys. This is it. This is the inside of the cap. Then I'll cut this rope. So when you wear it, you just draw the string to your size. You see, so beautiful, guys. You draw the string to your size, then tie it. It just fits your head perfectly using this drawstring pattern.